If there is a man who has done us worse, is this guy who's the president now. This guy, whatever Mandela, Zuma, Mbeki had achieved in all those many years, it took him less than 5 years to reverse all of that. Single-handedly. If there was a person who was a BEE in ESCOM or SAA or DINEL or any other big thing you want to think of, all of them today are no longer there. They have all been removed. And they were not removed by Ramaphosa's declaration. White people went to them and said, we no longer need you. We've got the president now. So what BEE are you going to help us with? The biggest township here, Kanyamazan. Today is very rare to can point at anyone in the township or anyone in the suburb of a black skin who's got money today. No one. No one. We were building houses in the villages. We were taking our kids to the best of the best schools. In the last 5 years, all of that has been reversed and they call it corruption. But no, a Ramaphosa came and he fought corruption. Corruption means that there should not be any black person with money. Because black person and money is equal to corruption. All of that has been reversed. Legitimate, not corrupt fools. Corrupt fools, we have no time for them. Legitimate business people who are doing their business honestly and feeding their families honestly. All of that has been reversed. So when you go into this election, you must know that the gains, the little gains of 1994 have been reversed.